E2 visa costs, a breakdown of expenses and fees. If you are considering applying for an E2 visa, it is important to understand the costs associated with the process. The E2 visa is a non-immigrant visa that allows foreign entrepreneurs to enter and work in the United States based on a substantial investment in a U.S. business. In this video, we will break down the various expenses and fees involved in obtaining an E2 visa. What are the E2 visa costs? The E2 visa costs can be divided into two main categories: legal fees and financial requirements. Let's take a closer look at each of these categories. Legal fees. The first and most significant expense associated with obtaining an E2 visa is legal fees. These fees cover the cost of hiring an immigration lawyer to assist you with the application process. The amount you will pay for legal fees can vary depending on the complexity of your case and the experience of the lawyer you choose. On average, you can expect to pay between $8,000 and $10,000 for legal fees. This amount may seem high, but it is important to remember that the E2 visa application process can be complex and time-consuming. Hiring an experienced immigration lawyer can increase your chances of success and save you time and stress in the long run. Financial requirements. In addition to legal fees, there are also financial requirements that must be met in order to obtain an E2 visa. These requirements include the investment amount and the cost of living in the United States. Investment amount. The E2 visa requires a substantial investment in a U.S. business. The exact amount of the investment will vary depending on the type of business and its location. However, the general rule is that the investment must be enough to start and operate the business successfully. The minimum investment amount for an E2 visa is $100,000, but in reality, most successful E2 visa applicants invest between $200,000 and $500,000. This amount may seem high, but it is important to remember that the investment must be substantial and not just a token amount. Why not get in contact with us at Global Immigration Partners and have a free consultation? We look forward to being of service to you.